This is the blue list. Number 1 is cheese. The mouse looked all over the floor until it could find a piece of cheese. Number 2 is shop. We need to shop for new pants because you're going to the party. Number 3 is chain. I keep my keys on a chain so I don't lose them. Number 4 is house. The wolf was not able to blow down the house that was made of brick. Number 5 is chimney. Smoke was blowing out of the chimney as the furnace was heating up the house. Number 6 is shack. We use a small shack to store our lawnmower. Number 7 is ham. I will have a ham and cheese sandwich, please. Number 8 is shave. He needs to shave his beard before starting his new job. Number 9 is chief. The chief of police is the boss of the police officers. Number 10 is cherries. I put 2 cherries on my ice cream sundae. Number 11 is hose. Use the hose to clean off the back patio. Number 12 is sheep. The sheep were grazing in the meadow. Number 13 is chop. I'm going to chop up tomatoes and add them to the salad. Number 14 is shoe. Tie your right shoe before you walk on the stairs. Number 15 is hat. Use your hat to keep your head warm.